We had a great holiday season, and it's finally here, Medicine Clerkship. Let's get this open and take a look. So pretty sleek, lightweight. I think that's a titanium case. We'll get this open. Recycled paper, that's good. So first thing, 6 medical centers, Army, Navy, Air Force, each have medicine residents and great conferences, and every year they run 40 pages of statistics to make sure that grading is fair across sites and that experiences are comparable. The biggest thing, of course, of all, is the great range of the best patients, ages 17 to 102, coming from the 14 different medicine specialties, and physician faculty that get awards, get a great orientation, and get feedback 3 times a year. Let's see, what's this? Oh, they're good. They loan you pocket medicine. It's a nice reference to have with you. Fits inside your coat pocket. That'll come in handy. What's this? Oh, the brand new I Am Essentials from the ACP. Easy to read textbook. You read a chapter or 2 prior to your weekly lectures, and it's very up to date. And then, here you have the companion manual, I Am Essentials Questions, 500 questions to help you study and practice for the shelf exam during assessment week. And they even throw in, they loan you this old question book, even more questions, and this one has some audio files from Dr. Kelly that goes through the questions and answers up on Sakai. This is MedU, online virtual patient cases. You have to do 5, but the school paid for the other 30 that you can do if that's your learning style, and they're very interactive and neat. Oh, this is big. Time, protected time. 2 hours, twice a week you have preceptor sessions, and then there's one 90-minute medical student only lecture. Again, protected learning time for you. And then finally, communication. Sakai announcements to keep you on track, a Facebook from the medicine residency with clinical pearls, and then even some Periscope podcasts. It's everything we wanted.